Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to my yoga channel, YogiBethC. I am both a registered yoga teacher and a licensed clinical psychologist. So with this background, I teach yoga that really emphasizes the mind-body connection. I want my channel to be open to all bodies, all abilities, all ages, and all genders. I'm over 50 myself, and so you'll see how I use props and do other things to modify the yoga practice for each body, for each individual. Please take a look at what I'm offering, and if you like what you'd see, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I'd also love to answer any questions you have. Leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you'll be back. So for this, I will grab my blocks to a cactus shape, a T, your hips. Any of those options are fine. Back to star pose, extending the legs, extending the arms. So take your left leg and slide it to the left side. And you'll see I have the bolsters angled toward me. They can also be flat. You can have a bunch of pillows stacked up. The purpose of this part is to have gratitude that you are not alone in the world. Notice the flow of the breath in as you breathe in through the nose